AI and DNN for Wellness Program. Pradeep K. Suri. Author and researcher. The graph is generated by a Python program using the Matplotlib library. The program plots historical and forecasted data for 5 well-being dimensions: physical health, mental health, emotional well-being, social well-being, and environmental well-being. The data is plotted as line plots, with solid lines representing historical data and dashed lines representing forecasted data. The graph also includes labels, a title, and a legend. For graph generation, we have used syntactic data and output by deep neural network of AI, artificial intelligence. The graph visualizes historical and forecasted trends across 5 well-being dimensions. The graph visualizes historical and forecasted trends across 5 well-being dimensions: physical health, mental health, emotional well-being, social well-being, and environmental well-being. It uses line plots to compare data from 2020 to 2023, historical, with projections for 2024 to 2028, forecasted. Here's a breakdown. Data points. Each line represents a specific well-being dimension. Solid lines with circles depict historical data, 2020 to 2023. Dashed lines with circles represent forecasted data, 2024 to 2028. Key trends. Physical health, pH shows a steady upward trend from 75 in 2020 to 82 in 2023, with a projected rise to 92 by 2028. Mental health, MH similar to pH, exhibits a consistent increase from 80 in 2020 to 87 in 2023, with a steeper climb to 96 by 2028. Emotional well-being, EWB follows a similar pattern as pH and MH, with a historical climb from 70 to 75 and a forecasted rise to 86 by 2028. Social well-being, SWB starts at 60 in 2020 and steadily increases to 70 in 2023, with a projected upswing to 82 by 2028. Environmental well-being, ENVW demonstrates a consistent historical rise from 65 in 2020 to 72 in 2023, with a further projected climb to 84 by 2028. Overall insights. The graph suggests a generally positive outlook for all 5 well-being dimensions over the next 5 years. Each dimension exhibits a gradual upward trend, indicating potential improvements in well-being across the board. While the forecasts are encouraging, it's important to remember they are just predictions, and actual outcomes may vary. Import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. #data. Years_hist equals 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023. pH_hist equals 75, 78, 80, 82. MH_hist equals 80, 82, 85, 87. EOB_hist equals 70, 72, 75, 77. SWB_hist equals 60, 65, 68, 70. ENV_hist equals 65, 67, 70, 72. Years_4 equals 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028. pH_4 equals 85, 87, 88, 90, 92. MH_4 equals 88, 90, 92, 94, 96. EOB_4 equals 78, 80, 82, 84, 86. SWB_4 equals 72, 75, 78, 80, 82. ENV_4 equals 75, 77, 79, 82, 84. #create line plots for historical and forecasted data on the same figure. PLT.figure, fig size equals 12, 6. PLT.plot, years_hist, pH_hist, marker equals O, label equals physical health, historical, line width equals 5. PLT.plot, years_4, pH_4, marker equals O, line style equals, label equals physical health, forecasted, line width equals 5. plt.plot, years underscore hist, mh underscore hist, marker equals s, label equals mental health, historical, line width equals 5. plt.plot, years underscore 4, mh underscore 4, marker equals s, line style equals, label equals mental health, forecasted, line width equals 5. plt.plot, years underscore hist, aub underscore hist, marker equals caret, label equals emotional well-being, historical, line width equals 5. plt.plot, years underscore 4, aub underscore 4, marker equals caret, line style equals, label equals emotional well-being, forecasted, line width equals 5. plt.plot, years underscore hist, swb underscore hist, marker equals asterisk, label equals social well-being, historical, line width equals 5. plt.plot, years underscore 4, swb underscore 4, marker equals asterisk, line style equals, label equals social well-being, forecasted, line width equals 5. plt.plot, years underscore hist, env underscore hist, marker equals d, label equals environmental well-being, historical, line width equals 5. plt.plot, years underscore 4, env underscore 4, marker equals d, line style equals, label equals environmental well-being, forecasted, line width equals 5. Hashtag set labels and title. plt.slabel, year. plt.elabel, score. plt.title, wellness AI program, historical and forecasted synthetic data. Hashtag add legend. plt.legend. Hashtag rotate x-axis labels for better readability. plt.sticks, rotation equals 45. Hashtag show the plot. plt.tight underscore layout. plt.show. Thank you. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Hashtag data. Years underscore hist equals 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023. ph underscore hist equals 75, 78, 80, 82. mh underscore hist equals 80, 82, 85, 87. eob underscore hist equals 70, 72, 75, 77. swb underscore hist equals 60, 65, 68, 70. env underscore hist equals 65, 67, 70, 72. Years underscore 4 equals 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028. ph underscore 4 equals 85, 87, 88, 90, 92. mh underscore 4 equals 88, 90, 92, 94, 96. eob underscore 4 equals 78, 80, 82, 84, 86. swb underscore 4 equals 72, 75, 78, 80, 82. env underscore 4 equals 75, 77, 79, 82, 84. Hashtag define the graph. plt.figure, fig size equals 12, 6. Hashtag historical data. plt.plot, years underscore hist, ph underscore hist, marker equals o, label equals physical health, line width equals 3. plt.plot, years underscore hist, mh underscore hist, marker equals s, label equals mental health, line width equals 3. plt.plot, years underscore hist, aob underscore hist, marker equals caret, label equals emotional well-being, line width equals 3. plt.plot, years underscore hist, swb underscore hist, marker equals asterisk, label equals social well-being, line width equals 3. plt.plot, years underscore hist, env underscore hist, marker equals d, label equals environmental well-being, line width equals 3. Hashtag forecasted data. plt.plot, years underscore 4, ph underscore 4, marker equals o, line style equals, label equals physical health, forecasted, line width equals 3. plt.plot, years underscore 4, mh underscore 4, marker equals s, line style equals, label equals mental health, forecasted, line width equals 3. plt.plot, years underscore 4, eub underscore 4, marker equals caret, line style equals, label equals emotional well-being, forecasted, line width equals 3. plt.plot, years underscore 4, swb underscore 4, marker equals asterisk, line style equals, label equals social well-being, forecasted, line width equals 3. plt.plot, years underscore 4, env underscore 4, marker equals d, line style equals, label equals environmental well-being, forecasted, line width equals 3. Hashtag labels and title. plt.slabel, year. plt.elabel, score. plt.title, wellness AI program, historical and forecasted synthetic data. Hashtag legend. plt.legend. Hashtag rotate x-axis labels. plt.sticks, rotation equals 45. Hashtag show the plot. plt.tight underscore layout. plt.show.